This video will cover how YouTube Shorts kills long-form content channels. In particular, this hit me right in my core because I spent a lot of time the past month creating custom shorts for my long-form content and even uploading shorts I did myself on my long-form content channels. In case you were wondering where I'm getting my info from, no, I am not some magical YouTube guru expert person who just puts copied content from other magical YouTube guru channels out to get views. I actually have 6 channels, all different niches. 1 is monetized and 3 are halfway to monetization. So this is a real study, and I'm going to show examples of 2 of my channels who have experienced their long-form content deaths because I decided to jump on the YouTube Shorts bandwagon to try to get quick views and subs, much like everyone else is starting to or will start to. Now before we get into my studies, a quick note on what YouTube Shorts is. According to YouTube, YouTube Shorts are the spot to shoot, share, and binge short videos. Think 60 seconds or less on YouTube. It's where you can go to start trends, try out dance challenges, bring your hilarious ideas to life, and more, yada yada yada. Basically TikTok. In addition, in case you didn't know, YouTube Shorts came out in September of 2020 in India first, and then was released worldwide in 2021, according to the YouTube fandom wiki page. When it released, it resulted in channels, and I mean brand new channels, exploding with subscribers and views because YouTube was pushing shorts very hard. They really wanted to start competing against TikTok and other short form platforms. As I mentioned, in the early days, shorts made channels explode. I'm talking hundreds of thousands, millions of views on new channels, resulting in thousands and tens of thousands of subs. It was a madhouse, literally, and I never took advantage of that. I was focused on long-form content and monetization, especially since shorts weren't monetized. YouTube had a fund for shorts creators that they would give money to, just the popular creators, but it wasn't much at all. Long story short, I decided last month to try to jump on the shorts train. I knew YouTube was pushing shorts out to the masses real easily in their shorts feed, and I wanted views and subs to come in hot. I didn't think it would affect my long-form content that much, but boy was I wrong. So here's a look at my first channel, my gaming channel. I released a bunch of shorts on a Sunday in September, and many of them exploded quite fast. Many of them exploded in views within the first few minutes to the first few hours, and very few of them took a day to get pushed in the shorts feed by YouTube. Now, I do believe the amount of views you get is a direct reflection of the playthrough rate of your short. If people keep rewatching it, the algo pushes it to more people. As you can see, my top content are all shorts in this period, and they are all over 100% average view duration. Obviously, that has a lot to do with how far your shorts go. What I failed to realize was now all these new 600 subscribers I got, they only want to watch short videos, not long-form content. This brings me to my next channel to show you. If you're enjoying this content so far, please smash that like button and subscribe. This is just the beginning, as I plan to release much more helpful case studies of content in the future, so be sure to get notified. So this is my second channel where I regularly post long-form content. As you can see, a massive spike in views and subs for this particular day that I put shorts out. After that, I began to put long-form content out, and to my surprise, my long-form content actually is not getting any traction now. And the views I did get are minimal, and the view duration rate is trash. I'm talking less than 30 seconds on 2 long-form videos so far, and they aren't hitting the YouTube suggested video section now because of the horrible retention and CTR rate. Number 1, the new subscribers are looking for short content. They won't click the video if it's long. And number 2, if they do click, they watch for minimal time and leave. This is terrible for YouTube channels, especially new ones. Now, how I draw this conclusion is because the 2 views I got were from notifications, so the subscribers were notified and 2 watched this video. Now, I'm not 100% certain that those subs were from my short form content, but roughly 20 to 25% of my subs are from short form videos recently, so there's definitely a chance they are. Does anyone else have any experience with shorts that they'd like to add? I'm very curious if other YouTubers have found this similar experience, so please let me know in the comments below. The conclusion I gather from this experience is that YouTube Shorts is a great way for a new or experienced channel to gain views and subs very quickly. But I would very strongly recommend not to mix short with long form content, especially on new YouTube channels. This is only going to hurt a new tuber. You wouldn't be building a long form audience, and any subs you get will plague your videos from having good analytics. I hope you found this content valuable, and if you have, I hope to see you like, comment, and subscribe. That will definitely motivate me to create more content. And in addition, if you have anything you'd like to see in the future, let me know in the comments below. I always respond to every comment and would like suggestions. Thank you so much.